What if the air you breathe nearly 21,000 times a day is slowly damaging your lungs, your heart, and your children's health? And what if the state tells you that protecting yourself from that air is a luxury? Today, the Delhi High Court delivered a stinging reality check to the centre over 18% GST on air purifiers, asking a simple but powerful question. If you can't give clean air, why tax the tools people use to survive it? Hearing a public interest litigation on Delhi's worsening air quality, a division bench of Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay and Justice Tushar Rao Gedela pulled up the central government for its failure to tackle the pollution crisis. The court said if authorities cannot ensure clean air for citizens, then at least they can do is reduce the GST on air purifiers, currently taxed at the highest slab of 18%. The bench even suggested a temporary 15-day GST exemption, calling for urgent action rather than bureaucratic delay. The court did not stop there. In one of its most striking observations, it asked the government to reflect on basic human act breathing. How many times do you breathe in a day? 21,000 times. Just calculate the harm you're doing to yourself. The judges underlined that in Delhi NCR, every one of those breaths may carry toxic particulate matter deep into the lungs and bloodstream. The observations came while hearing a PIL filed by advocate Kapil Madan, who has challenged the classification of air purifiers as luxury household appliances. The petition argues that in a city where air quality routinely falls into the very poor, severe, and severe plus categories, air purifiers are no longer optional. They are indispensable for survival. A key argument in the case is the Centre's own February 2020 notification under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, which expanded the definition of medical devices. Under this notification, any device used for prevention, monitoring, or alleviation of disease, even through mechanical means, qualifies as a medical device. Air purifiers, the plea says, clearly meet this standard. Modern air purifiers with HEPA filters remove PM2.5 and PM10 particles, pollutants linked to asthma, COPD, heart disease, and premature death. Many also monitor indoor air quality, enabling early detection of dangerous pollution spikes. The petition also raises a constitutional question. If most medical devices attract just 5% GST, why are air purifiers performing the same preventive function taxed at 18%? The plea calls this an arbitrary fiscal classification, violating Article 14's equality principle and Article 21's right to life and clean air. Taking note of the urgency, the High Court has directed the centre to seek instructions on how soon the GST Council can meet, even suggesting a virtual meeting if required. The matter has been posted for December 26 and will remain listed during court vacations, only for compliance. As Delhi gasps for breath, the High Court's message is clear. Clean air is not a luxury, and protecting life cannot be taxed like one.